Welcome to Easy English Talk, where we learn real English in a peaceful and simple way. Today's episode is not just about learning English. It's about the one thing that stops most people from speaking fluently and how to change it. Many learners know grammar. They know vocabulary, but when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because they are translating in their head from Arabic or French or another language into English. That takes time and it creates pressure. But something powerful happens when you stop translating and start thinking in English, even simple English. You can start today, and here are 5 simple steps to train your brain to think in English. Step 1. Start your day in English 1 minute. When you wake up, say a few simple sentences in English. I feel tired. I need to brush my teeth. Today is going to be a good day. Step 2. Use the mirror trick 2 minutes. Look at yourself in the mirror and speak out loud. Talk about your day or your feelings. I have a lot of work today. I want to learn something new. I'm a little nervous, but I will try. Step 3. Label your life. Give English names to things around you. Say them in your head. Table, chair, coffee. Step 4. Speak your routines silently or aloud. While doing daily tasks, describe them in English. I'm washing the dishes. I'm making tea for my family. I'm getting dressed. Step 5. 1 minute recap before sleep. At the end of the day, say 1 or 2 sentences in English. Today was a good day. I learned something new. If you don't have anyone to talk to an AI like ChatGPT. You can practice simple conversations, ask questions, or even just say how you feel. It's a great way to build confidence without fear. Also, listen to short English podcasts or daily routine videos. Hearing natural English will help you learn how to think in English. You'll pick up words, tone, and structure without even trying. If you're not sure what to say during your day, we made a video for you. It's a real-life morning routine in English. You can watch it and repeat the phrases in your own life. I'll attach it to this video in the description. Don't wait for perfect English. Use what you have. Just start today.